Hey guys, looking for a luxury interior? Then have a look into Knox.com. It is South India's leading luxury interior company. Link provided in description.
What's up people, welcome back to our channel. Once again we are back with another video. So today we are going to see Moto E7plus unboxing, and it comes with 48 megapixel night vision camera and 5000 mAh battery. This is 4GB RAM and 64GB variant. Remaining features you can see on the screen. Okay, now let's have a look into the box. Here we go, the phone, and this phone comes with a premium build quality, and it have dual camera, a separate button for Google Assistant, and single speaker, and it also supports 3.5mm jack. Okay, let's keep the phone aside and let's see what all are there in the box. We have user guide and manual guide, and remember one thing, budget phones won't provide a back case for the phone in the box. And let's see the charger. It comes with 10-watt charging, and let's go to the final thing, it's cable. Okay, it's micro USB cable, and that's all. And now let's have a look into the phone. I'll meet you after the boot up is completed. And the boot up is completed, and this phone is completely an Android UI based phone, so we don't have much bloatware. Now let's go to settings and see how much space is consumed by these apps. 14GB is used by the phone and 50GB is free for us to use. Now let's see the Android version and the security patch update. It runs with 110 out of the box, and let's check the security patch update. It runs with September security patch update. Now let's check the fingerprint sensor speed. And first I have to create a pen for that. Then I'll create a pen and I'll meet you after the pen setting is completed.
Okay, the password setup has completed. Now let's check the speed. Okay, it's just average speed. It's not too fast and too slow. If you ask me, I'll say average. And I'll show you SIM slot now. Let's have a look into SIM slot.
Okay, now we are entering to the last part of our video. I'll show you the SIM slot and then I'll end the video right over here. And this phone haven't provided a dedicated slot. If you have one SIM, that's okay. If you have two SIMs, you have to leave micro SD card. And that's all for this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications when we keep videos. And if you have any doubts, ask in comment section. Once if you see, we'll definitely reply to the comment. And leave a like to the video. Stay tuned for next video. Bye bye now.